Friends, hello everyone. I'm glad to welcome you on our channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can restore deleted drafts in TikTok. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to put your likes and write your comments. So let's get to our topic. And first I will show you where your drafts are located in TikTok. So if you go to your profile, you'll always have your drafts, if you have them, right here in this corner, in the left-hand corner, in the very first video. And let's say if you accidentally delete a video that's important to you from those drafts. There's two ways to look for that video. And the first is to open up the gallery. Go to the album section and then scroll down to the video option. And then go to that. And then see if there's a video that you shot in TikTok that was in your drafts. Because TikTok has an option to save the video that you shoot on draft in the gallery. If that video is not there, then you will need to go back to TikTok. And here you will need to click on the three bars in the top right corner. Next, Settings and Privacy. Then Accounts. And here, select Upload your data. Now you'll need to click and download. And so you friends are sending TikTok a request for them to send you all of your data that has been deleted or that is in TikTok. So you'll be able to come back here in a while in the downloads and find here the request that you sent to TikTok. And here you can find a file that you can easily save to your phone. And then you can find the drafts that you've deleted. I'll tell you right away that the answer to such a request, it can be up to 4 days. So you need to go from time to time and check if there is an answer to your request. Also, if you want to submit a new request, the old response to it will be automatically deleted. Friends, this is the way you can recover deleted drafts from TikTok. I really hope this video was useful and helped you. Please, friends, write your comments, put your likes, and also subscribe to this channel, and take care.